Hello guys, welcome to AminoBuddies Shorts, and this is me Shantani, and today I'll be discussing about millions of trees which are planted every year by squirrels. The squirrels are forgetful, foolish, frantic. That's how humans tend to think of squirrels, stuck in an endless cycle of burning nuts then forgetting where they left them. Well, this comic figure always pops up again and again in kids' books and films. From Jansen's squirrel with a marvelous tail to the SCRAT in the animated movie Ice Age. These are the cute and funny portraits, but may not be entirely fair. In fact, as we'll shortly explain, there's a lot more method to a squirrel's apparent madness than they might appear. So why do squirrels bury nuts? Let's start with the basic. If you have ever watched a squirrel bury nuts, glancing around nervously for potential thieves, then you were probably looking at the gray squirrel. Although these adaptable creatures have now learned how to make their leftover food their part of their diet, historically they have tended to feast mostly on seeds, nuts, acorns, berries, and pine cones. This is otherwise known as supermodel diet. Now the problem is, of course, winter, when all the nature's luscious beauty freezes over. That's why instinct takes over in autumn and the squirrels enter their manic mode, rushing around gathering as much food as they will need to last them through the frosty month. A gray squirrel's particular approach to food is called scatter hoarding. Squirrel will bury their nuts where the frost can't reach them. Normally at least an inch beneath the surface. They'll usually keep their food hoards close to their den, but will sometimes venture them much further afield in a bed to throw potential thieves away. In fact, the experts have also believed that the squirrels have learned how to calculate the risk. If the food they want to hoard is particularly valuable, nutritionally speaking, they may risk burying the stashes in the area frequently visited by predators. The calculation appears to be that while they may face a small risk in hiding the food in such a danger zone, there would be a much greater risk to a thief squirrel who wouldn't know where to start digging and would be vulnerable for much longer. Okay, now before we move on to how do they remember where they have buried their food, we will take a deep breath and thank the gray squirrels. Now, for a long time now, the scientific world has deemed squirrel as one of the most important animals responsible for forest regeneration. Scientific studies conducted by researchers from several universities have shown that the unrivaled leaders in seed dispersion and subsequently in forest regeneration are the great squirrels. The first factors in the gray squirrel's success in the forest regeneration is the huge amount of tree seeds they bury. Research have shown that the gray squirrel stores about 96.9% seeds in their lifetime, and about 30% of those seeds will never be recovered by the gray squirrels. These buried and unrecovered seeds are the basis for the future of forest regeneration. Another factor of gray squirrels is the high efficiency in forest regeneration is the quality of seeds they bury. The study results have shown that the gray squirrel first eats those seeds which are damaged and genuinely stores the seeds which are healthy. So the next time you see a squirrel burying nuts, try not to think of it as a figure of fun. Think of it as a bushy-tailed activist, quietly and quirkily doing its bit to keep our planet breathable. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos.